Sustainable, reliable, and practical. It's no wonder Clorox Handy Wipes are the #1 brand in cleaning cloths. Go for Handy Wipes when washing dishes, cleaning countertops, stovetops, ovens, and kitchen appliances. Handy Wipes work wonders in bathrooms, on furniture, and use them on windows for a streak-free shine, strong enough for your car, and outdoor accessories, yet gentle enough for your home electronics. Handy Wipes are sustainable and can save you money. Regular paper towels create over 3,000 tons of waste in the U.S. every day. The solution? Use Handy Wipes. One wipe lasts 20 times longer than a single paper towel. Just rinse, reuse, and save. Green and clean. It's a beautiful combination. Clorox Handy Wipes multi-use reusable cloth in the 72-count package. Available at BJ's now.